are watching the first episode of this series, my goal for this project is to remove all this clutter, create a nice seating nook, make some lovely decor, and maybe have a kiddie area because we got the view, and this will help us use it. So subscribe to stick around for future vids. Alright, this is all the stuff we still have out there, so today I'm going to be tackling this and getting it out. We did get the bathroom vanity out. That was a bit of a project. No video for that because it was just too much crazy. But this, coming back from Home Depot, carrying it on our shoulders was hilarious. Too bad I didn't get a video. It's going to go there in the back. But yeah, let's get at it. Hey, don't touch that!
Where are you?
Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
Come here.
Okay, so far we've got the patio furniture all made. I'm pretty excited about it. You can see the lattice. I'm going to put that up over there. I still got a couple things right here, and I'm hoping to get that removed and then maybe kick that. So let's see if I can actually kick it. Hopefully I don't look stupid.
Dave, don't hurt yourself. You're not gonna break that. Please don't hurt yourself. Don't do that.
What? Yeah.
It's solid wood. It's not.
That's true. Alright, the furniture is kind of in place. We've got a rug coming. Of course, with shipping nowadays, it's so stinking slow. But I'm excited for it to be coming together soon. So when I get the hooks for this and the rug, I'll show you. So today, just enjoying the chairs out here. Feeling encouraged that we've got this much done, but also I'm just a bit sad because I know we're living in a really crazy time right now, but the shipping on this stuff I ordered is taking so long. So I ordered several things to help with this project. One, a tripod so I can be a little less ghetto. Two, I ordered some hooks to get this thing up because it's really cool and I want to start the garden part of it, you know, to be able to get some little plants up. But so far, you know, that was on Amazon, and maybe it's my mistake. I didn't. I thought I would be patient, but so far it's going to be taking a month to get here, and we've got a week to go, and it still is not looking like it's coming anytime early at all. So that's discouraging. And also I've got the really cool rug from Overstock.ca coming, and so that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to make this look a little bit more homey here, but that's delayed too. It was supposed to get here 6 days ago, but then the tracking keeps updating and updating later and later and later. Now it shows between 1 to 11 days. And then I've got another thing coming, and funny thing, one of the carriers, I'm not going to say who, yesterday said that my shipment was delayed due to inclement weather, and I look outside and yep, it's raining a little bit. Yeah, so I guess that was delaying it. Yeah, it's 11 degrees Celsius, and that's like what? 55 or 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't quote me on that. And yeah, there was a few raindrops, and I thought, yeah, let's just be real, okay? We all know what's really delaying it. There's just so many packages going out to everybody, and that's the reason why mine are late. But you don't have to say it's inclement weather because that's like, come on, I'll just say it every reason. But yeah, so I'm here doing some deep breathing, trying to be patient. But yeah, it's, you know, really, it's not that bad. So if all the things that could go wrong, if that's the only thing, you know, it's not so bad. So I'm patient here and excited for when it actually comes.
Once again, welcome to A Quiet Soul CA, where you never know what you'll find here, but it's always something fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like, subscribe, and stick around for future videos.